As the blizzard hit, I knew I had to reach the hospital. The city was paralyzed, but my determination pushed me forward. Every step through the snow was a battle, but the lives of my patients depended on me. I couldn't give up. And then there was John, the reporter, navigating the storm for the story of a lifetime. Our paths crossed, and together we faced the relentless force of nature. Amid the chaos, Samuel, an immigrant, fought to protect his livelihood. In the heart of the blizzard, our lives intersected, and we found strength in each other's resilience. Inside the hospital, there were many injured people needing help, but we were severely short-staffed. This blizzard is unlike anything we've ever seen. We need to get the facts straight and the story out as quickly as possible. Lives depend on it. Children are trapped in a school due to cold weather. They sit there, scared as they wait to be rescued.
Madonna mia, look at this place. Snow as far as the eye can see, and everything buried under it. How are we supposed to survive in this? The cold is relentless, but I must find a way to keep my family warm and fed. We come here for a better life, but we still struggle. These streets, usually so full of life, now look like a ghost town. Everyone is trapped, just like us. I can't let my family suffer. We came to this country for a better life, and we must hold on to that hope.
Hope, which has transformed this country, stems from a singular event and the bravery of the heroes from that era. Please like and subscribe for more mini-movies.